Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about constant velocity. Now if you remember, velocity from Fisher's equation was basically number of times money has changed hands, right? So we had this result which is mv is equal to py. Now we have to assume that v is constant here. Now, even though it's not practical in real life because it changes with change in money demanded, but just to make the calculation simple, we assume this to be a constant number. So it basically means that py can only change with respect to m, which is money supply or money demanded. Now since we've studied ms is equal to md is equal to m, let's assume m is ms over here. Okay, v is constant is equal to py. Do not forget to write v. So yes, now we know two things. Number one, y, which is number of output produced, is determined by level of employment, technical advancements, or other factors which basically contribute to the output production. And second is that ms, which is money supply, is controlled by central bank. Let's forget for a moment that even government has a part in it, and let's assume that it's just central bank. Now if you pay attention, then again you can, yes, I'm repeating the same point right now. Now since it's dependent upon employment and technological advancements and all, so pretty much y is also constant, because we cannot produce, or it will not change according to money supply, but it will change according to these particular terms that I've mentioned here, addition to different other terms. So we can say that ms is dependent on p or vice versa. Now again, coming back to the original formula, we have percentage change in m plus percentage change in v is equal to percentage change in p plus percentage change in y. As mentioned earlier, v is constant, so it's not going to change. Y is again constant because it depends upon employment and all. So yes, we have two factors that are going to affect each other, which is change in money supply and change in p. Now to make it clear, that then change in level of price is exactly what we call inflation, which is denoted by this pi in economics. Hence, can you say that change in money supply directly leads to, this is not going to be double-sided though, change in money supply, percentage change in money supply will directly imply or have an impact on change in price level, which is inflation. So again we come to the same conclusion that we derived from the previous chapter, that central bank has sole control over inflation in form of change in price level, right? And also because central bank, because it has the ability to control the money supply. So yes, this was the conclusion that we had to derive at this point of time from this chapter, that central bank has sole control over inflation. So yes, this is pretty much about it. Thank you.